Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Peloton app on TV. Easy guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring your TV is turned on and connected to the internet. Open the App Store on your TV. Search for the Peloton app in the App Store. Once you find the Peloton app, click on it to view the details. Select the option to download or install the app. Wait for the installation process to complete. After the installation, open the Peloton app on your TV. When prompted, sign into your Peloton account using your credentials. If you do not have an account, you can create one directly within the app. After signing in, you may be asked to allow certain permissions. Grant the necessary permissions for the app to function properly. Explore the main menu to see the different workout options available. You can browse through classes based on type, duration, or instructor. Select a class that interests you to view more details. Adjust any settings such as volume or screen size as desired. When you are ready, hit the play button to start your workout. Enjoy your Peloton experience on the big screen. If you encounter any issues, consult the help section within the app for troubleshooting tips. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.